Ready? Start. Respondents number 18 to 25 are the officers who were promoted in terms of Rule 7 3B of the Punjab Superior Judicial Service Rules 2007, hereinafter described as the 2007 Punjab Rules, by way of a limited departmental competitive examination. Their names were recommended by the High Court to the state along with the petitioners on 29/7/2008. However, they managed to get their names clear and were issued appointment letters on 11/8/2008 and were posted on 22/10/2008. In the meeting of the Recruitment Promotion Committee, Superior Judicial Services, herein after referred to as the committee, held on 15/9/2014, it was decided to circulate tentative seniority list of the officers of the Superior Judicial Service Punjab for inviting objections. Needful was done as the tentative seniority list was circulated to all the officers by letter dated 25/9/2014 by the Registrar Vigilance of this court, to which various objections were filed. After hearing the committee wide its report dated 11/8/2015 opined that the objections were not sustainable. Hence, it was recommended that the tentative seniority list already circulated does not require any alteration or modification, and the same be finalized as such. The objections filed by the petitioners and other officers were rejected. The aforesaid report of the committee was circulated, on which one of the Honorable Judge of this court offered his comments on 16/9/2015, in terms of which the matter required reconsideration. Thereafter, the matter was put up in the full court meeting held on 22/12/2015. The report of the committee was accepted and the final seniority list was circulated, which has been impugned in the present petitions. Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioners further submitted that the service is governed by the 2007 Punjab rules, which were notified on 3/9/2007. The service of the Haryana Superior Judicial Service is governed by the Haryana Superior Judicial Service Rules 2007, hereinafter described as the 2007 Haryana Rules, which were notified on 10/1/2007. Rule 2 of the 2007 Punjab Rules provides for definitions, whereas Rule 7 provides for method of appointment with three sources, namely by promotion from amongst the civil judges senior division on the basis of merit cum seniority and passing of a suitability test 50% quota, by promotion on the basis of merit through limited departmental competitive examination, for which civil judges senior division having not less than 5 years service as civil judge senior division are eligible 25% quota, and 25% of the posts can be filled by way of direct recruitment from amongst the eligible candidates on the basis of written test and viva voce. The posts are to be filled up in accordance with roster attached as Appendix B. Rule 12 of the 2007 Punjab Rules deal with seniority. Rule 23 thereof provides that in respect of the matters which are not specifically provided in the rules, members of the service shall be governed by Punjab Civil Services General and Common Conditions of Service Rules 1994, hereinafter described as the 1994 Punjab Rules. Rule 8 thereof provides that inter se seniority of the persons appointed to a post shall be determined by continuous length of service on such post in the cadre.